Hello, this video is about how to run PACON IDE with ROS2 Galactic for x86 and Para. First, open a File Explorer and enter this. At this point, please write the Windows username of your PC behind of users. When you press enter, VS Code will appear. Please enter this code in the top row and save it. Then, open the command palette and click this. Please perform this task after installing remote containers. Then, there will be several routes, and you can enter ROS2 IDE demo. Enter the password. Open a new terminal and enter these codes. Please transfer the downloaded CPP files and TXT file. Split terminal and enter these codes. Then the left terminal and the right terminal communicate with each other. If ROS2 IDE demo does not appear, open the terminal and enter the codes. You can access ROS2 IDE demo normally through these processes.